MyDegree lets you run a degree audit report to aid with your academic career planning. To access MyDegree, you can use the UMSL's A to Z index and go to the D's and select Degree Audit Program. From the Degree Audit page, click MyDegree. Log on with your SSO ID and password. Run your first audit by clicking Request Audit. You can click to view available options and choose a format for your report. Unless you want a shortened report, keep the default option. You can choose HTML or PDF. Click Run Declared Programs. The completed audit report request page shows audits you've already run at the bottom and shows the audit you're running at the top. Once it's completed, it shows in the list, and you can click the View Audit link for that report. The graphs show your progress in course hours, overall GPA, hours by categories, and GPA per category. You can scroll down to see the details of your report. The green box with the check shows completed courses. The red box with the X indicates an unfulfilled course, and the ... in the blue box indicates a course in progress. If you need a paper copy of your report, click on the printer-friendly link. You can see more details about your course history under the Course History tab. Here you can sort your courses by clicking on any of the column headings. You can also filter by grade and/or term, or you can also click on any of the green bars in the graph to sort by that academic term. You can run what-if scenarios. Click Audits, Request New. Click Select Different Programs and select the degree. Here I'll select Biology. Choose a catalog year. Select the catalog year that corresponds to the first term that you are starting your new degree program. If you're unsure about when you are starting your new degree program, contact your advisor. Click Run Different Program. Now I see a report that shows my progress toward a biology degree. Use the Audit tab and select Request New to run a new audit, or Manage to view any previously run audit. The completed audit page lists the audits you have run. You can select and delete audits. You can view an existing audit or run a new audit.